Hello guys, today we study acid, base and salt. Acid were formed by acidus, mix of acidus in which type of substance salt is called acid. So the word acid derived by acidus. This means salt. Acids in this type of substance which release H plus ion in aqueous solution is called acids, and acid sour in taste. These substances convert blue litmus into red. Acids are two types: strong acid and weak acid. Strong acids, for example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, HCl, hydrogen chloride, and HNO3. Next, weak acid, for example, acetic acid and H2CO3. They are weak acids and they are strong acids. Next, we study base. In this type of substance, which release OH ion, hydronium ion in aqueous solution is called base. Base bitter in taste, and they convert red litmus into blue. So that litmus test acid ABR and blue litmus and base BRB. Litmus test of base is BRB. B base, red litmus convert into blue. Similarly, litmus test of acid ABR. Acid blue litmus convert into red. Base, for, for example, strong base sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. Similarly, weak base calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Next point is salt. Any type of substance which have several number of H plus hydrogen ion and hydroxyl OH ion. This type of substance is called salt. It means neutral substance are called salt. For example, distilled water H2O. We study acid base concept according to scientists. Arrhenius theory. According to Arrhenius, acids, those substances which release H plus ion in aqueous solution is called acid, and base, those substances release OH ion, hydroxyl ion in aqueous solution is called base. According to Arrhenius, acids are two types: strong acids and weak acid. Strong acid, in which type of acid which completely decomposed or ionized in aqueous solution is called strong acid. For example, H2SO4 sulfuric acid completely ionized in water and release OH and release H plus ion. Similarly, HCl hydrogen chloride completely ionized in aqueous solution and release H plus ion. Next, nitric acid HNO3 completely ionized in H plus aqueous solution and release H plus ion. Next, weak acid. In which type of acids which do not completely ionize in aqueous solution is called weak acids. For example, acetic acid, aqueous solution CH3COO plus H, and carbonic acid H2CO3 ionized H plus and hydrogen carbonate ion. Next, according to Arrhenius theory, base are also two types: a strong base and weak base. A strong base, in which type of base which ionized, completely ionized in aqueous solution is called strong base. For example, sodium hydroxide ionized in sodium ion and hydroxyl ion OH. Similarly, potassium hydroxide ionized in aqueous solution potassium ion and OH ion. And next, weak base. In which type of base which do not completely ionize in aqueous solution is called weak base. For example, calcium hydroxide ionized in aqueous solution into calcium ion and hydroxyl ion. Next, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesium. This substance is used in the form of antacids. Magnesium hydroxide and ionized in aqueous solution in the form of magnesium ion and hydroxyl ion. So, according to Arrhenius concept, acid H plus ion release substance and base OH ion release substance.
Next, neutralization reactions means salt formations. Salt formation when acid react with base to form a neutral compounds. This compound is called salt. In these reactions, neutral compound is formed, so this type of reaction is called neutralization reactions. For example, acid react with base to form neutral compound salt and water. For example, acid hydrogen chloride react with sodium hydroxide base to form NaCl, salt and water. By the nature of salt, there are three types: neutral salt, acidic salt and basic salt. First, neutral salt. When strong acid react with strong base to form neutral salt and water. For example, strong acid like hydrogen chloride, strong base like potassium hydroxide to form neutral salt potassium chloride and H2O water. Next, second, acidic salt formation. When strong acid react with weak base to form acidic salt plus water. For example, strong acid like HCl, weak base like ammonium hydroxide react to each other to form ammonium chloride, acidic salt and water. Next, basic salt formations. When strong base react with weak acid to form basic salt and water. For example, strong base potassium hydroxide react with weak acid like CH3COOH, acetic acid, to form potassium acetate CH3COOK, basic salt and water. So, salt is three types: neutral salt, acidic salt and basic salt.